Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So, please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
In people they pass through because of waiting our youth they pass through because of waiting the widow, the fatherless, the motherless, those where they born away, our fathers, our mothers, when the government don't know, when they don't know whether they exist, because of waiting they happen, it making out the Kano come out to fight for our people. But now, the whole land, the court don't grant them bail, discharging, acquitted. The whole land because they want make it die. People they say that they beg Muhammad Buhari because na country where no get law. Na country when they don't they keep people for nothing. People they propaganda voting. When it be say all those presidents, all those governor, they no want here una pay. They no want know what una they pass through. They no want know the difficult when the children of our land they pass through. When the youth they pass through. When everybody they pass through. But only in the canon know waiting our people they pass through. He carry the thing for your head. The thing taking father, taking mother. But our youth come out. They propaganda voting. They propaganda many things. When in the canon, he get heart problem for dungeon. For where they keep am. Our youth they happy. Ezedigbo they happy because of waiting they do. The lawyer they happy because of the no one made the secret. When they do the way when they take seller made the secret come out. All of them they happy. They no one fight for inner the Kano. But I know God when he did heaven. God when he created heaven and earth. God when he said let there be light must surely fight for inner the Kano. Our ancestors must surely fight for inner the Kano. Una de propaganda Obi made their votes. Obi can never do what inner the Kano do for una. Obi can never suffer for the suffer when inner the Kano they suffer. Obi can never one day make it day for prison because of the people of the land. But everybody carry Obi for head, forget about inner the Kano. But one thing when I want promise our people. All these things they do now, wanna forget the person. When the government don't bribe with many money, he refuse. He say he wanting people to come off for slavery. He want make a land to liberate. But una forget they propaganda Peter B. When no go here pay, when no go even for them to lock up one day for prison. Peter B can never be for all the whole people when they did the land. But una forget about inna the Kano. Una kill goat, una kill fowl, una cook rice for una house. Oh, Biafra land. Some of DOS when it's sell una celebrate Christmas. Inna the Kano get problem. He get heart problem for prison. Una happy for what una do. But God Almighty with our ancestors. The day. Una think say the secret go just see. The secret not go see. The secret not go see. The secret not go see. I want to inform Eziendigbo. I want to inform all the governor for Biafra land. I want to inform DOS. I want to inform Obi, the lawyer, if anything do in the Kano. Ojofo, Mona listing. If anything deal in the Kano Jofo, all who have generation, all who have children, all who have family, they go pay. They go pay. I come out for midnight, afternoon, day where I go to do the video. I did not do it. I did do it. Make the night bear me weakness. All of una go pay because not be full and holding at the Kano. Now the governor of Biafra land. Now the lawyers. Now the some of the DOS. Ohaneze de Digbo. Now they hold. I want tell una this night. Say all of una go pay. Go reach una children. If anything doing at the Kano. If anything doing at the Kano. All of una go pay. Not be mercy. Talk less than go that and whether I go work. Una go pay. All of una. Una go see. Una go see the power when it day for the gods of the land. If anything do in the Kano. I know some of una go they talk. Why the gods of the land not go remove her for the prison? But una go see. Una go see. Those when it sell her. Those when it betray her. Go give the people. Go give the judge away. Una go see. Go those when it sell out for Isa IPOB. All una generation, una children, they go pay. If anything do in the Kano. May this not bear me weakness. May heaven and earth bear me weakness. Make all the whole spirit, all the whole witches and wizards when they fly this now, make they bear weakness. Una go pay. Una children go pay anywhere than they. Anywhere. Una go pay. Not be mercy. Talk like they go that and whether I go walk. Una go pay. I think una don't celebrate Christmas where now. Una don't celebrate time. Una don't celebrate time. No problem. If anything doing at the Kano, now that one the worst it go come. Now that one the worst. That Nigeria, that voting, one of the palabrate. Now that town I will know. That me Precess, the daughters of the land, the daughters of ancestors. Now you come out this night. Come tell una. As una celebrate Christmas, it remain New Year, and I will celebrate her. Ina the Kano day for prison. Ina the Kano day for dungeon. All of una, when it supports, but to bring in to betray na the Kano, una go use una head and una children. They pay. If anything do in the Kano. Una go see her. Una go see her. Una go see. I think una don't happy. Una rich before una don't take in the Kano to make money. Una go spend the money for una children. Una take and give una children food. Una take and buy clothes for una children. Or una take and trade those children. No. The gods of the land, they say the children, they go lavish. Anything wanna spend, the betrayal of the Kano money, when the government give una, wanna take brigger come put for the dungeon. Oh, the spirit not go forgive una. Una children must pay. Una wife must pay. Anything when it belong to una must pay. So shall it be. Not be power. I want still talk to the Fulani. When everybody say na president, Buhari, na slave, na spirit, una they beg, make it live Buhari, make it live in the Kano. Country when it no get a law, indigerity country. Or in the country, indigerity country, fool, mad people country. When it no get law, when it no get respect for law. Oh, Nigeria. Una say Nigeria still dead. Nigeria don't die and bury. It don't die and bury. Nigeria don't die and bury. If una the fee say, we because of voting, because of making her the cannot die for prison, now make una, when the court don't free her, una still hold her. Una go see, people they, not be only Samuel Ekpa of una they shot now. And they see one Hausa Fulani say, any food when they come from the land when Samuel Ekpa, they will give Samuel Ekpa salad, make them not bring their food. What their those people go bring una food. They go Nigeria food they enter Europe. They destroy them for airports. Una not the share country. Una proud the same na country una be. That man come out. He come out saying the total free land government. Make the arrest in the Kano. You were that answer man. That Hausa man, you go rotty for air. All your generation go rotty. That math where you take pronounce about Samuel Ekpa. You say make any freeland food make the ban that for Nigeria. Gwanuna don't carry our oil, everything give Oyibo people, make the they live fine. Now you say make they ban everything. With the thing, the Oyibo one that they work for, make they maltreat people. Now na sold out to England. Now na sold out to evening na China na you get now they put station of China for everywhere now. Una not the shit. Una go call una so na be Nigeria. See the way when the matter they talk. They talk say Nigeria.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.